Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a new project in your Visual Studio Code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing that you need to do is to open your Visual Studio Code in your device. And then once you are on this page, all you need to do is to open a folder. And if you can see this section of your screen, what you need to do is to click onto this File Explorer icon. It's situated on the upper left corner of your screen and then hit Open Folder. And you can also do it on this part of your screen. On the center part, you'll have these options. So you have New File, Open Folder. So just hit this Open Folder section. It basically does the same. So you can also go to the File section. And under that, you should be able to see the Open File option also. So hit Open File. And then the file that we are going to select is not yet existing. So what we are going to do is to create that in our desktop. So I'm just going to right click, undo this one and create a new folder. So I'm just going to name it as sample project. And then there you go. Select that as the folder. And then now all you need to do is to create the files under that project. So as you can see, it is still empty. So again, you only need to do is to create a new file for it. And just going with the index.js and hit enter. So then you'll be able to have created a JavaScript or Java file on your project. So now as you can see, already have here again. So let us try to open that folder in a local file. So I'm just going to go back into my desktop, open that file. And you should be able to see that index file in that project. So that's basically it. You can now start coding. I hope this video helped you. Thanks.